Should I repair or should I replace? There's going to be a couple factors that go into that. Number one is, how old is the system? Number two, how many repairs have I already made on the system, and what repair am I about to incur? If I've already spent a couple thousand and I'm about to spend a couple thousand and it's 12 years old or 15 years old, it may be time to replace. Also, am I looking at the new technology? Do I want to do an upgrade from a single stage, just on or off, to something more high SEER that's going to lower my bills, help my family be more comfortable in the home?